Groups let you quickly reach a set of browser profiles all at once. It's a powerful way to categorize your profiles and filter them. There are two ways to create a profile group. The first one. Go to the Groups section, click New Group. To put a profile into a group, you need to click Move and choose the group you want. Another way. When you create a profile, type a name for a new group and press Enter. Here you will see this profile has been put in the group. If you're struggling with running multiple profile groups with similar purposes, you can merge them into one. Select a group. Click Combine. Choose a group. And then the profiles in the second group will be moved into the first group. Of course, you can delete unused groups by clicking this button. Or by this way. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more information.